Welcome back to Stocklabs. We're at the end of March. First quarter already for 2022 is over. And being month end, it's time to see what Fly's quant portfolio did. So just as a reminder, this portfolio, it only does any sort of trades or rebalances on the first trading day of the month. And then it does, Fly doesn't touch the portfolio again until the next month, next first trading day, where he'll swap out the stocks, and the stocks are picked via the Stocklabs algorithms in Screener. So Fly isn't really doing any big decision making himself. He's kind of just seeing what the output is and putting it all into here and letting it ride for the month without any adjustments. So this month for March, okay, up over 8%, pretty good. Actually, great return, and it brings year to date up to 10%. The S&P for the month of March was up. I think it was up 3.5-4%, somewhere in there. I don't know. It was getting kind of jumpy in the last couple of days. Between 3.5-4%. NASDAQ was up something like 4.5-5%. Actually, probably wasn't that close to 5%. So probably 4.5%, somewhere in there. And then year to date, both these indices are still down. So S&P is down about 4% for the year. NASDAQ's down 9 or 10% for the year. So it's been tough, even though March bounced a little bit. The first quarter overall was not great. So to make it through the first quarter with 10% gain is, it's pretty impressive. And the fact that there's not that much trading going on in the account, you can really see that Stocklabs is zeroing in on sort of the best stocks and trends to be following for the time being. So, month to date, biggest winners. Right. So the whole portfolio you can see is skewed heavily towards oil and gas, energy, chemicals, that sort of trade that's been working all year. Stocklabs has been keying in on it, every month. So it's ignoring all of the stuff that is just being really volatile for the most part, and it's just, it has no problem sitting in these sectors and industries. As far as worst performers, okay, right. So the one biotech stock that was in here happened to blow up for 28%, minus 28%. And actually there were there's another biotech and a couple of random energies were down for the month. But other than that, there's another biotech here that was up 7%, 8%. And the rest is all energy trade. So I guess mostly depending on the market cap and, the companies, how levered up they are, contributed to how much outperformance it had for the month. But yeah, pretty good. More than pretty good. Actually, a great month. So congrats to Fly. Whoever's following along with this portfolio, new picks will come out tomorrow. So you can see year to date, the returns are mostly steady. And another important thing is that this line chart doesn't look anything like the overall market. So it's not correlated that much to the market because, Stocklabs is quantitatively picking the stocks that it thinks are right for the current environment, which has nothing to do with the overall market. So new picks will come out tomorrow, April 1st. Usually around, late morning to noon-ish. Fly will get the portfolio up, and anybody following along, you can swap those stocks out and continue to sort of ride this outperformance into the second quarter. All right. So again, good job from everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys later.